Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Did you guys expect another subscription box video? Because I didn't. Well, here we go. We have the Soul and Spirit subscription box. This is a brand new subscription box to hit the market, like very brand new. I believe this is their first ever box that is going out. And what this company is they are a subscription box promoting creativity and spirituality with uniquely curated items supporting artisans and small businesses. They seek out sustainability and eco-friendly items as well when it is possible. So they choose that over everything else, which for me, I can get so behind that in a company. This is one craft inspired by theme, and it has 4 to 6 creative or spiritual products sourced from those vendors and artists. And right now, I believe it starts at $52.72 for a quarter. I'm not exactly positive how all of that works, but in the description box, you can find all the links necessary to get all of the information you need should you want to check this box out for yourself. So with all of that being said, I am so excited to open it up. Alrighty. This is right up my alley because I love crafts and spirituality. So when they reached out, I just immediately, yes. Look it. Oh my gosh. And also all of their packaging is eco-friendly. Like, hello, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I want to see. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is all about the air element. Air is a tangible, ever-changing, and in constant movement. The element represents intellect, mental intention, and connection to life force. It's a masculine energy that leads by force and power, even though it remains unseen. Okay, and then it gives you absolutely all of the information about the air element. Ooh, and then we have a list of what's inside the box, and then also the websites for all of the info as well. Okay, I am so excited. I don't want to like look too much into that because I want to be surprised. And then we have bonus items. Very, very cool. Look at this, eco-friendly. Your order was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly materials. I love this so much. And then, oh, we have a little thank you card. Oh, how cool. Okay, so can we just see how beautiful it's packaged? And it smells so good because I see some Palo Santo. Oh my gosh. So how do we want to do this first? Let's take out the Palo Santo. So I know I'm a white woman. I can't speak on Palo Santo or white sage. So you guys do your own research, and as long as it's ethically sourced, since this is ethically sourced, I don't have an issue. However, I cannot speak on it. I cannot tell you whether it is right or wrong. So let's see. The Palo Santo is cut from the heartwood of naturally fallen trees, sustainably sourced from Peru by One Love Holistics. I'm okay with that. So let's move on. That's exciting. Okay. Ooh. What is this? We've got some whipped body butter, elderflower. Oh my. Shea butter, olive oil, water, stearic acid, essential oil, formaldehyde, paraben, and phthalates free. Okay, I gotta smell it. Everything I get, I have to smell. Oh my God. It smells very springy, like really good. It's not too flowery and it's not too musky. It's like that sweet spot right in between. Really nice. Oh, I'm so excited because my hands be dry and gross right now. Okay, I see an air plant. What? Is this a real air plant? No. Yes? No. Yes, yes, I think it's real. Oh my gosh. This ships from Florida, so it would not surprise me because these things grow on the trees there like you've not even seen. They get so big in Florida because of the natural humidity. That's so nice. I love air plants. The easiest plant, seriously, to take care of. You just give it a bath once a week. Okay, love the packaging in here. Okay, what is this? Oh my, oh my. Okay, hold on, hold the phone. Is this, is it a wind? Oh, no, what did I do? There's a little chip of something. Oh, it's the sun catcher? Is that what this is? Oh. Oh, no, hold on. I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure all of this out because I'm not reading the box like a smart person. But that's really pretty. I just want to be surprised. Okay, and then we have some wind chimes. Oh. Oh, how cute. This is a great way to celebrate the element of air with the wind chimes. Oh my gosh. Put trash over there. Look at how cute. And they aren't like a ridiculous big wind chime, which I cannot handle. I love small little ones like this. Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh, I love it. Piccolo chime. This chime is tuned to a magical and sweet sounding minor chord. Hang it over your sink to brighten up your kitchen. Hang it near your desk to bring music to your workplace. During the holidays, hang it on your tree as a wonderful ornament, or use it as a unique package decoration or a surprise stocking stuffer. Hang it on a window or on a doorknob, then listen whenever an angel gets its wings. You will hear a delicate ring. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I love. Okay, so then I wanted to check in this. This is a really nice little pouch here. Looks handmade. Oh, uh-oh. We've got some chips. Oh my, okay. Oh, it's just their little chips. Okay, cute. We got another raw amethyst. Some like crystal quartz chips. Hopefully they were supposed to be chips. Sometimes getting packages shipped with crystals is a delicate thing. Or maybe it was supposed to be one smaller crystal and it just kind of chipped. But that's okay. You know what? Stuff happens. But I believe this is fluorite. Let me double check. Fluorite, yes. Oh my gosh, that's a big old piece of fluorite. That is beautiful. And then the raw, oh, love. Okay, you got me at the crystals. You got me at the wind chimes, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Okay. So what do we have so far? A folio pad. What is this? Sage. Oh, it's like an air freshener? Oh, it smells so good. Sage and vetiver. Vetiver. I can never say that. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Just want to make sure I'm checking everything off the list. So that must be... I don't know what that is. I'm not going to complain about it. That's beautiful. It's like a little ornament or a air freshener. Goodness sake. Get with the program. Ooh. Oh, look at the air earrings. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty and delicate and super easy to wear with whatever outfit. Oh my gosh. I love those. All right. So the earrings, the elderflower body butter, and the wind chimes were bonus items. Oh my. Okay. So I'm diving in further. Here is the folio pad. Cute little notebook. Love it. Oh, and there's the little hook for the sun catcher there. There's another part of the crystal. Oh no. It's all right. These things happen. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look, you can make your own dream catcher kit. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is so neat. Wow. So let me just check here and see what it says about the dream catcher. Native American cultures believe good and bad dreams fill the air at night. The dream catcher kits are handcrafted by authentic Cherokee Native American artisans, and it gives you the website. Very cool. I really, really like that this is supportive of Indigenous people. That is fantastic. And then we do have the light catcher, which I showed you here. So that can hang with the little suction cup. That's really pretty. Oh, wow. I don't have one of these. That'll be nice to have in my office here for catching little rainbows. All right, and that seems to be it. So let me just start off by saying I am extremely impressed. I am super excited to start using everything. This is the little air plant holder right here that we did not talk about because I was too busy enjoying the crystals. And so you can hang this or set this down however you want. Mist it with some water, or you can just take it out and give it a bath. Very cute. Already, I am just overwhelmed and excited about everything here. I feel like you've got a fun little crafty kit here, and everything in this kit is just super all about the theme, which is air. And I love that. I love that it's promoting creativity. I love that it's promoting mindfulness, and I love that it is supporting small businesses and ethically sourcing its products. That to me is number one, and I am so excited. This is definitely worth the 52 whatever price. Just in the crystals alone and the little air plant kit, you've already paid for the box. The fact that it's like, again, like a surprise gift to yourself is so fun. Like, so much fun, because again, it's one of those things where, would I go out and purchase this, each item by themselves for myself? Probably not. Maybe the crystals for sure, but like everything else, I'm very much like, I don't need it. I've got stuff at home. But this would make a great gift for anyone who is creative, anybody who likes to do little crafts, and also, you know, focus on mindfulness and spirituality. Great gift, and it's a great gift for yourself, which I think right now it's kind of needed. I feel like this is a very good self-care kit as well. It's, you know, got all of the elements here. I love it. I'm blown away. I'm really excited that it is all about the ethics here. I'm super stoked. I'm so excited about, oh, maybe it was the fluorite that, yeah, I think it was the fluorite that got chipped. That is okay. Yeah, that's okay. See, I'm super easygoing when it comes to stuff like this. Like, it was meant to be cracked. It was meant to be shared. And I'm so excited about these earrings too. I'm sorry. I'm blown away. I'm overwhelmed. I'm really excited about it. I thank you so, so much to Soul and Spirit for allowing me to showcase this, and really I'm super excited about this for you. If you check out all of their handles in the description box, you'll see what their next upcoming box is, and it's going to be the fire box. So that's kind of exciting too, because there's a lot you can do with fire. So let me know what you think about this down in the comment section. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you would purchase yourself, or would you do this more of a gift? Like, this is so cool. I'm really overwhelmed with gratitude. Like, this is so, I'm sorry, speechless. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And if there is a witchy or spiritual sub box, a subscription box that you're interested in me reviewing, let me know, and I'll see what I can do. So this has been really cool. That being said, thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.